So now I want to control the menu items here. As part of the menu, I see three things here, and I want to control it. I want to add more and delete this sample page here in the menu. So the way I can control this is go back to my admin dashboard and then select this appearance, and I select the menus over here. And now by default it's saying that if you want to use the custom menu, create a menu. So I can call them my menu and say main menu and say create, and then primarily I want to use this menu. Select this, save, and I have to add few things here, right? I want to first add something called home. It's already there, but I want to add that here, and then this is nothing but the website name. So like this, I can add the URLs as part of my menu. Now you can see my home came here, and I want to add this about us. I can add a page into the menu, which is, see, now we can see home and about us in the menus here. And if I save it, go back and refresh my home page, now the sample page is gone because that was given by default menu. Because we are using custom menu, here we see only two things, home and about us. And let's see what else I can add into the menu. We have seen how to add a link, how to add existing page. Now we can add some categories also. So I want to add the categories here: ideation, and entrepreneurs, and tools and tips. Okay. So now there I can see three new things here. I want to move the about us to the next section, the last element, and save it. Okay. And I refresh my site, and here I can see the four categories, whatever I selected: ideation, entrepreneurs, tools and tips. That I selected one more. Let me go and check. No, I selected only three items. Okay, yeah, exactly three categories. So I got all my three categories here, and then about us page. This is how I can uh, customize my menu. But if I want to customize it a little more differently, like I want to make entrepreneurs and tools and tips as my the second level of menu items, I can just drag it and adjust like that. And if I go and save the menu and come back to the home page, you can see the ideation is the number one, and then it has entrepreneurs and tools and tips. So this is how we can customize the menu here. But I think the better way to adjust this menu for now is make the tools and tip as the primary, and then make ideation as part of that, and entrepreneurs as the next one. But actual categories and actual menu for parttimestartup.com we will see in the next section. But now, for now, this shows that we can add URL, pages, and even the categories as part of the menu. And save it and come back to the home page. Finally, refresh it. Yeah, this is what I want to see. I want to see tools and tips. And if I select ideation, I see only one blog here, only one post. And if I select the entrepreneurs, I see only the first one what we entered, because this category has only this one post. Okay, all right, that's all about menus.